Hello everyone, welcome back to your TAPS reading study. This is a continuation of the coverage of your Book 2 Exam 1, and today it's time to cover question 29. Okay, let's read the passage and see what kind of questions we have based on the passage, and let's analyze the answer choices. But first of all, let's read the passage and I'll get back to it again for the contents. Okay. The passage says, it is often not acknowledged, but every one of America's early 13 colonies partook in the slave trade. However, slavery was not the same in all of them. Colonies had different percentages of slaves. Few African slaves lived in the northern colonies, while 90% of all slaves lived in the southern colonies. Conditions for slaves differed as well. Generally, as the numbers of slaves were fewer in the north than in the south, the physical demands and punishments for disobedience were less severe. Conditions were much worse for slaves in the south. Okay, were you able to get some sense about the contents of the passage? You better try, all right? Okay, the question says, based on the passage, which one of the following is correct according to the passage? There has been quite a number of questions has been continued in terms of making a simple inference like this about the given passage. So this is an easy type inference, so you better get used to it. Answer says, A, some colonies in early America did not have slaves. You better figure it out whether this is correct in terms of the contents of the passage. B says, American colonies had different slave populations. Can you tell whether this is correct or incorrect according to the passage? C says, slave conditions were similar in all of the colonies. Would that be true? D says, certain colonies treated slaves more gently. Okay. Unless you can figure it out, the answer choice right away, it means that you don't understand the contents clearly while I was reading for you. So you better try harder to put yourself into a condition that you can understand this level of simple readings. You can immediately understand as soon as you read it through. Okay? Alright, let's get back to the passage. It's often not acknowledged. 무슨 말입니까? 그것이 종종 not acknowledged, 인식되어지지 않는답니다. What does it actually mean? We cannot have the information. We don't have information yet. But we have to continue to read it to have the information. What does it actually stand for? 그죠? 자, 그래서, 그러나, every one of America's early 13 colonies, 여기까지가 주어져, 그죠? 그래서, 미국의 초창기 13개의 그 식민지, 미국의 주들 중의 모든 것들이 partook 그라면 무슨 말이에요? partook in 그라면 참여하답니다. 어디에? The slave trade. 노예 무역에 참여했었답니다. 자, 잘 인식되어지지는 않지만은 그런 어두운 과거가 있었다는 거죠. However, 그러나 slavery, 노예 제도는 was not the same. 똑같지 않았답니다. In all of them은 in all of the early 13 colonies of America. 이 말이죠. 그죠? 그래서 미국의 그 초창기 13개의 식민지배를 받던 그 주들의 모든 곳에서 노예 제도가 똑같지는 않았답니다. 그죠? The way the slavery was performed were somewhat different among those 13 early colonies. 그죠? Colonies had differing percentages of slaves. 그래서 그 식민지 주들은 가지고 있었답니다. differing percentages of slaves. 노예의 다른 그런 percentage, 율을 가지고 있었답니다. 그래서 some colonies had more population of slaves than in comparison with other states, other colonies. 이 말이죠. So a few African slaves. 그래서 이때 few가 들어가면 거의 없다는 말입니다. 그죠? 그래서 그 아프리카에서 온 노예들이 lived in the north. Northern colonies, 북쪽에 있는 그 식민지 주들에 살았던 사람은 거의 없었다는 말입니다. 아시겠죠? 그죠? So 그 미국의 북부 지역에는 아프리카에서 온 노예들이 거의 없었다는 말이고요. while 뭐뭐 한 반면에 그죠? 자, while 앞에 콤마가 붙으면 이거는 while이 보다 같습니다. 그러나 이 말입니다. 그죠? 뭐뭐 한 반면에 90% of all slaves 모든 미국의 early 13 colonies에 살았던 그 모든 노예들의 90%가 lived in 살았답니다. 어디에? The southern colonies. 남쪽에 있는 주들에 살았었답니다. So the concentration of the population of the slaves were very concentrated in the southern area because it says more than 90% of all the slaves actually lived in southern colonies. 그죠? So conditions for slaves. 그 노예들의 그 환경들, 상황들은 differ, 달랐답니다. As well. 또한 달랐다 이 말이죠. 그죠? 그래서 not only the demographic, where more population of slaves lived either in the north or south, but the conditions of the slaves also different. Okay, there will be an explanation, will be continued. Generally, 일반적으로, as the number of slaves were fewer in northern than in the south, 일반적으로 노예들의 숫자가 자, south보다는 north에 어떻게 더 fewer, 더 작은 동안에 이 말이죠. 그죠? 작은 동안에 the physical demands and punishments for disobedience were less severe. 자, 그래서 기준이 되는 거는 북부입니다, 지금. 그래서 남쪽보다 북쪽에 있는 식민지주들의 노예들의 숫자가 작은 동안에 the physical demands and punishments for disobedience. disobedience는 불복종이죠, 그죠? 그래서 주인의 말을 듣지 않는 불복종에 대한 physical demands, 어떤 육체적인 요구와 육체적인 노동의 어떤 그런 강도 이런 걸 말하겠죠. 그 다음에 어떤 punishments, 육체적인 어떤 요구와 노동의 요구와 어떤 그런 벌 주는 것이 were less severe. severe 하는 건 심한 거죠. less severe 했다는 것은 덜 심했단 말입니다. 어떤 physical demands나 punishments were still existing even in the northern colonies, but it was less severe than the ones of southern colonies. 이 말이죠, 그죠? 그래서 북쪽에서 불복종에 대한 어떤 그런 벌이라든지 어떤 그런 노동의 요구가 없었던 게 아니라 남쪽보다는 덜 심했다는 말입니다. So conditions were much worse for slaves in the south. 그래서 남쪽에서의 그 사항들, conditions for slaves, especially for physical demands and physical punishments for disobedience to masters, much worse for slaves in the south. 남쪽에서 노예들에 대해서 훨씬 더 심했답니다. Now you can tell among the early 13 colonies of America where you could find more African slaves and how was the condition for those slaves and how were the slaves were treated in terms of the level of the physical demands and punishment, such like that, based on the reading of the passage. 그죠? 자, 그래서 I think I'm done with the passage. Let's get to the question. Which of the following is correct according to the passage? 그래서 위의 내용만을 참고해야 됩니다. 알겠죠? You are not supposed to choose an answer choice based on your common sense or prior experience. Anything you read it from a book or you saw it on TV, you should not supposed to put it into to choose a question, the answer for the question. 알겠죠? 그죠? You gotta only go by the contents of the given passage for sure. It says some colonies in early America. 초창기의 미국에서의 몇 개의 그런 식민지 주들은 did not have 가지고 있지 않았답니다. slaves. 그래서 some colonies did not have slaves at all. Would that be the content based on the passage given? It says American colonies, 미국의 그 식민지 주들은 had 가지고 있었답니다. different slave populations. 다른 노예의 그 인구들을 가지고 있었답니다. Would that be true based on the contents of the passage? Okay, see, slave conditions were similar in all colonies. 모든 식민지 주들에서 노예들의 그 컨디션 사항들은 similar, 비슷했답니다. Is it true? This says, according to the passage. Is it true according to the passage? That's the most important things to make an inference, okay? You're not supposed to put, again, your common sense or prior experience about the topic. D says, choice D says, certain colonies treated slaves more gently. 그래서 남쪽의 그 colonies, 식민지 주들은 노예들을 더 부드럽게 대했었답니다. Is it true? Based on the reading you just did? Okay, so this is it for question 29. I think you for sure were able to understand the contents and analyze. I think you have enough basis for analyzing the question and picking an answer choice for the question asking. Okay? Alright, so on my following video, I will continue to cover your book to exam 1 reading part TAPS questions. So my next video will be question 30 of your book to exam 1. So until then, you review this carefully and get to know about the material so you can be ready for having a class discussion with your teacher. Okay, I'll see you with the question 30 on my next video. Until then, so long.